Welcome to Hypermotive. Fresh into stock, we have this 2015 Mercedes SLK. It's a 2.1 diesel, finished in polar white with full black leather interior. AMG line spec. Has a Becker matte pilot, heated seats, air conditioning, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, automatic lights, fully electric roof. Has an anthracite grey alloy wheels. Red seat belts. Front and rear parking sensors. LED daytime run lights. And it also has a panoramic glass roof. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call, or you can email me sales@hypermotive.co.uk.